96% of published books fail to find their audience. Why? Because they don't have a launch plan. Now, ain't that a pile of crap? Yup, the kind that you track around the house because you didn't believe it was true. Fellow authors, if your launch plan is hit publish and hope, you're setting your book up to vanish. We break down a tiny launch system plus a weekly marketing rhythm that doesn't burn you out and keeps your book visible after release. Publishing without a launch plan is like throwing a party and forgetting to tell people your address. In this episode, we're covering 2 mistakes: publishing and praying, and doing marketing for 1 week, then disappearing. First mistake, hitting publish with no plan for early momentum. Many new authors think the book will find its audience once it's live. Sometimes it does, slowly. Most times it sits quietly because nobody knows it exists, and you don't have early reviews or buzz to help readers feel safe buying. Here's the fix. 1. Build a tiny launch team. You do not need 500 people. You need 10 to 30 engaged humans who will actually read, share, or review. 2. Use advanced copies if you can. Give your team an early version and a clear deadline. Make it easy. Provide a short message they can post and a gentle reminder on launch day. 3. Plan your first week of visibility before launch day. Decide what you'll post, when you'll email, and what one offer you'll make. Keep it simple and repeatable. Second mistake, treating marketing like a launch-only chore. 1 big push, then silence. That's how books fade. Marketing is not a personality test. It's a system. Here's the fix. 1. Pick 1 main channel you can handle. 1. Email, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, blog, podcast. Choose the one you will actually use without burning out. 2. Create a weekly rhythm you can keep. Example, 1 short post, 1 reader-focused email, and 1 behind-the-scenes piece each week. 3. Keep talking to the same reader you chose in episode 1. Consistency beats randomness. Quick shortcut. Use a weekly marketing menu. Make a list of 10 post ideas you can recycle. A quote, a tip, a scene snippet, a reader question, a mistake you made, a review screenshot, a theme from your book, a character moment, a myth you're busting, and a quick recommendation. Each week, pick 2. Done. Save this series. Subscribe. If you want the clean checklist version of all 10 mistakes, binge the playlist and take notes. You're not behind. You're building it right. You've got this.